Bees. Talk about the bees a little bit today. I got 2 hives going right now. I'm just starting out with this. It's a new addition to the farm. I went through them today. It's been about 4 weeks since I've opened them up. Plenty of brood, larvae, honey, or should I say more like a honey syrup. It's not quite 100% honey. They're very busy, very active today, taking advantage of this nice weather. It's been nothing but constant rain here, so they don't really get a chance to do much. They're bringing in lots of pollen, nectar. That right there is some burrcomb. It was up on top of the roof on the inside. I took it off. Put it right there for him to clean out. Put it back in. And I'll save that wax. That wax will go in that Folgers can. And I'll save it to render that down and filter it and make beeswax for our soap. Not really. There isn't really one hive stronger than the other. They're both doing about the same, from what I can see. In and out. I don't know if you can see the orange on the back of their legs. That's the nectar. The yellow, more of a yellowish color on the back, that's the pollen. But if you look very carefully, you can see it. There also appears to be new brood in there that is hatched. Very, very tiny bees. Aren't full grown yet. I noticed that there's about, I say about 50-50 with drone comb and worker comb. For those that don't know, drone comb, the comb openings are a little bit bigger than the worker bee comb. The queen will decide what she wants that egg to be for each hole of the comb. She decides what she wants to put in there. If she feels that she needs more workers, then she'll make it a female. If she feels that she needs more drone, then she'll make it a male. The drones, all they do is mate with the queen. That's all they do. They don't have stingers. They don't sting. That's basically all they do. I wouldn't mind having that kind of life. There's some right there that are, you can see their tongue. Focus in. You can see their little tongue. And they suck that up. And they bring it back to the hive and deposit it back in the comb that's in the hive. This little guy right there. No, I have not been stung yet. I'm out here in short sleeves. They don't bother me. They're close to where people are interactive with them, so they're used to being around people. But as long as if you don't go bothering them, pissing them off, They're too busy doing their own thing. As long as they don't feel threatened. I did put my bee suit on earlier today when I did go through them, just to be sure. My plan is at some point is just to have a veil on. I really want to start working with my bees so that they're friendly. But like I said, I'm just beginning. I'm learning. I might even put this video on YouTube. See how many people can maybe give me some tips or ideas. I'm with just the one super for each one. It's only about a quarter full each one. There's plenty of room in there. So there's really no talk or even discussion about putting another one on top of that yet. I know some people put another one on top. Some people will, I believe, make a split. If it's really packed, make a split. Or start putting their honey supers on. From what I've read and seen, there's so many different ways you can go about it. It's really a preference on what it is you like to do, and a learning game. But I enjoy it.
So I gotta bring down hay to cows.
They're right there, sucking on it. If anybody's wondering, one is red, it's just a little food coloring. Only because both my hives look identical and they're right next to each other. And I've read that bees see color, and if you break things up a little bit so things aren't so identical, it helps them know where their hive is. So I just made one red, the other one is just nothing in it. They're going to be coming off shortly. I'll probably let them empty out that right there, and they'll be on their own. I'll just make sure there's water around, which there's plenty of that. So if anybody's got any ideas, feel free to drop them by. Anything sarcastic or rude or negative will be deleted or dismissed. So please don't be rude. My kids do read the comments and are a part of this, and they're young and they see this. I don't need them to know what jerks we have out there in this world. So keep it low key. Okay, this is Harvest Hay Farm out. Have a good day.